Hi folks, my name is Larry Cotnoir here at Vermont Country Campers, and today I wanted to talk to you about one of our holdovers. It's a 2018 KZ Connect. Brand new camper. Got a 2-year warranty that comes with it from the factory. It's a bunkhouse model, and we want to start off by showing you that it has a power tongue jack. It's our manager's special also. It's a $35,000 camper, folks, for $21,999. I mean, tremendous value here. You got the stone guard, you got the toy lock, you got bicycles or a motorcycle that you bring along with you. It's got the Furion solar charger for solar panels if you wanted to put some on. It's got a huge, nice, finished off enclosed storage area. It's got a battery disconnect. It's got a motion sensor light. All the outside doors have a magnet to hold them up. Very nice. Got a nice power awning here with nice LED lights, as you can see. Nice aluminum steps, 3-step. This is the KZ Connect 281BHK. Let's go look at the outside kitchen that comes with it. Wow, 2-burner stove. You got a plumbed sink. That's very nice. And then you have the R-Vision refrigerator. On the back, something special. We've got a rack and a spare tire if you want to carry a couple of bicycles. Backup camera ready. It's got a black tank flush, and it's also got an outside shower. Hey folks, let's go inside and see how nice it is. On the way by, we got aluminum wheels. All right, big grab handle. Wow. When you come into the living space, you got the nice three bench couch. Makes into a jackknife sleeper. Very nice for extra company. You've got a nice booth dinette with storage underneath. You got the wood look floor. The sink area, plenty of counter space, and you've got a nice sink cover. Not all campers come with them. That's very nice to have. You've got the nice glass top for making more counter space when you bring in your groceries. Microwave, nice big fridge. As we look up here, there's some nice blue accent lighting above the slide. We have a nice double bunk. So as the kids grow, there's plenty of room. You know, but they won't outgrow it. And under here is some storage, extra storage. In the bathroom area, big bathroom. Got the toilet, shower, nice sink. You've got the nice shades. Over here we've got the TV, got an AM, FM, CD, DVD stereo. Got a nice skylight here. Very nice. One in the bathroom and one here. So this one has 2 skylights. In the master bedroom area, you've got storage on either side. You could actually walk behind the bed, and then you have what we call pocket doors that are actually solid. They're not curtains. Of course, we have some storage underneath, and then there's some nice baskets on each side that this camper has. So for your socks and maybe some of your clothing. Well, folks, this is the 281BHK KZ Connect Manager's Special. It's a 2018. It's an awesome buy. It's MSRP's $35,000, over $35,000. We've got it on sale for $21,999. Please call us at 888-223-9299. My name is Larry Cotnoir, and I'd be glad to help you. Thank you for watching Vermont Country Camper TV.